You have 3 minutes on the clock. Oh, wait. Let me restart. Let me restart that. Ready, set, go. Shut up, Noah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Did you get it? Set it on the bed. Actually, set it up here. Better hurry up. You only have 3 minutes. You have 8 in total. You have 2 right now.
Man, why are you using my phone? It's supposed to die.
Because
You have a phone for a reason.
you have 3 minutes and 53 seconds. I decided to give you 5 minutes.
No.
Ooh, you're so close. I'm gonna give you 5 minutes too.
What?
No, it's not up there. You're so close. Better keep looking, Eiley. You only have 2 ingredients. You only have 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
We're supposed to see them last reason.
They're not back there. You're so close to like 2 of them.
Ellie, have you ever checked under the chair?
It's not under the chair. How? You just looked at it.
Oh, I didn't.
Not there. The other way.
I don't see it.
Put it up there.
95.
You have exactly 2 minutes. Nothing else is in there, so you don't make a mess. You just passed the other one.
Oh, my knee.
How many have you found? 1, 2, 3, 4.
I don't see it.
2 minutes and 30 seconds left. Dummy. Okay, I honestly kind of forgot where I put the other ones.
That's wonderful. Is it behind the pillows?
How many do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Trying to look over.
I think I know where you put one.
I remember 2 of them, but I don't remember where the other one's at.
Which way?
I'm not telling you. It's not in there. I knew I'd forget one.
It's not?
You have 1 minute and 40 seconds left.
What?
Better hurry.
I don't see it.
Oh my god, it's in the most obvious place.
Really?
You
Oh my God.
just passed it, Eiley. Eiley, how can you not see it? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 2 more. Oh god. Think you found your secret ingredient one that I asked you what you wanted. 1 minute, 15 seconds left. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now.
Someone by the bed.
Over there. 1 minute left.
She actually put it in.
I literally pointed straight at it. It's not back there. Dummy. 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 The camera knows where it's at. You have 49 seconds left. How did you not see it? 1 more left to find. I actually don't know where this one's at, so this one's lost forever. Keep looking. 30 seconds. Yeah, Noah, look for it too, because I really don't know where it's at. Because I'm a dummy. Where did I put it at? I know where it's at. You haven't found it. It's the most important one too.
I don't see it.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
1, 0. If you guys didn't do that, I would have concentrated more.
You don't know where it's at? You passed it 10 times. It was in this basket. And it's your most important ingredient.
What are we doing? Making slime with this?
Yeah, it's glue. You missed it.
I knew it.
Now, we're going to take your ingredients and put them in this basket, but be careful because some of them can spill out.
No, not this one.
Not this one, huh?
I tried to get away with it.
No, wait. The ones with the bottom on them, be careful like that. With the bottom aluminum, be careful because they can spill.
Ellie, you're not being careful.
These are, she has 7 of them.
Well, I couldn't see that.
Oh, whoops. Okay. Now, you're going to leave this here. Noah, it's your turn to find them. I'll probably just give it to you because you can't make your slime without it. Okay, so I'm going to be hiding them now. I actually have no glue. This is glue because I know what those are. Most of them are